दिखाओ.
Volume of cylinder is equal to 3 volume of stone.
Of the same size. ये भी बोलो ना. कम हो गया? हाँ चलो. ये what is these all?
So this is square, this is semi-square, this
अच्छा अच्छा. वो लाइट उसी शेप में निकलेंगे. आप बताएं वो तो बताएं.
मनीष सर इस साइड पे
Using same area you are changing. But what it is?
First we will take this solid shape, like this triangular prism, and now we will count its faces, vertices and edges. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 faces, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertices, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 edges. There are 9 edges. So we will verify.
What all these?
Sir, these we can verify all these with this.
Any object with this part. Sorry. हाँ चलिए.
So I am explaining several types of different types of shapes.
What it is?
Sir, this is the area of umbrella. Sir, this is area of acute chemistry. Sir, this is area of right
Now this is good. Now you will understand better in the class.
Yes, sir.
है ना? तो अपने मैथ्स टीचर्स को थैंक यू बोलिए. काम किया.
आपके नीचे से सच उधर से छोड़ो.
Sum of exterior angle of a polygon. These angle of polygon are equal to 6 degrees.
दिख ही नहीं रहा फायदा क्या कि क्या बना रहे हैं. कहाँ गए तुम भी रखो दोनों जरा.
And this sum is equal to 360. And so complete. This is also the sum.
Really good, you know, all these objects it will
I
give
am
you know.
showing this formula by activity. A plus whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So
And
a
this is
cube.
नहीं ऊपर वाला a plus b whole square a square plus 2ab ये भी दिखा सकते हो.
Yes sir, I can
वही
show
दिखाओ.
that. Sir, give me value.
Any value, choice any value.
You do. Show me immediately. Let me see.
Sir, a square, b square, ab. This is also ab. 2ab, a square, b square, and 2ab is equal to a plus b whole square.
ठीक है. What it is?
We have a 3 types. This is a made by students.
Ah, that's great. Much better. What it is, beta?
Similar to 2 types. This is volume. 1 liter is equal
The volume of cube 1000 centimeter cube occupies 1 liter of water.
Show me. ये तो ज़्यादा लग रहा है.
1 liter is a measurement. So the measurement.
That's great. मैंने कहा मग में पानी ज़्यादा लग रहा है. Now it's okay. ये क्या है?
Total body mass weight of 50 gram under.
So what is 1 kg of weight? कैसे डिफाइन करें? किस चीज़ का वो रॉड लेते हैं जिसका वेट इक्विवेलेंट होता है? अभी नहीं देखा तो हम पढ़े हैं. ये कौन बताएगा? फॉर मेजरमेंट. ये क्या है? बच्चे आ गए? हाँ, लेके आओ बच्चे को।
One line, one
Try
line.
to verify that the area of
Got it.
That is the second they are going to represent the Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. So this one is altitude square, this one is hypotenuse square, and this one is base square. So we had cut it into 5 parts. After this, we can put the all the
क्या बोले वी हैव कटेड
cut it.
कट के तीनों फॉर्म कटे ही होते हैं कट 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 कटेड कोई वर्ड नहीं है
And after this, we can put it into the hypotenuse square.
हाँ हाँ
That
बेस सही
Yes.
प्रूफ ये क्या बेटा
and the these two are each triangle is the equilateral triangle, and by joining all the equilateral triangles, we have drawn similar triangles which are similar.
एक्सप्लेन बेटा
So you can say or write any number. I can express that number in Roman number. For example, I want to express this year 2021. So I take mm for 1000 and 1000 and xx equal to 10 and 10. This is 2010 and this is 1. So I can express 2021 like this.
हाँ seems very good what it is बेटा looks we are prepared बताओ ओके ठीक है what you want to prove इससे क्या समझ आया what it is why it is beneficial you have prepared this very good how and why it is beneficial बच्चों को इसका क्या तुमको पढ़ाएंगे तो क्या समझ में आएगा बेसिकली what is difference between line and line segment means it is fixed at both ends but line can be extended up to infinite so when people ask question can you draw a line generally students say yes sir we can draw a line no you can never draw a line on a piece of paper you can only draw a line segment even you cannot draw a ray also because ray is having one point but another point is extending to infinite बताओ
Sir, this is Ramanujan symmetric square, and the special thing about this is that the elements of the rows, when we add of the both the rows, the sum will be equal to
any row any column even I think diagonal also
and
the
these
result
two.
will come the
And these
same
Today I am going to take this Pythagorean.
तो देख के मुझे भूख लग गई
But it is not cooked.
it is same अच्छा you explain
I demonstrate. So here I have taken a right angle triangle of sides A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4 and C is equal to 5. Here I want to prove that the square of sides, square of height and the square of base is equal to square of the hypotenuse of the triangle.
sum of square
Sum of
जोड़ेंगे।
the square.
sum word नहीं करोगी तो गलत है सही
So for this,
even I was so scared of mathematics कि 10th के बाद मैंने छोड़ ही problem is there the way I want to learn nobody was able to do and I used to put question हमको कहते थे type I'm writing
so for this I had made a square inside of the side of the triangle, and this square shows the square of the side, and this is also
how calculate करके बताओ ना साइंस में proof it
so here it is
centimeter suppose.
Yes, sir. It is 3.
So square of 3 centimeter
Yes, sir. It is also.
कितना हो गया?
9.
लिखो equal to 9
Equal
centimeter.
to 9 centimeter square or 9 square. So and
ये
this is
4 का
16.
लिखो.
So 4 square is equal to 16 square.
Then how it is equal now?
Now I will. Then I will do this start
will
here.
transfer.
It.
रहने दो, बच्चों को दिखाना. ये क्या बेटा? Acute angle means less than 0 angle. Right angle is exactly at obtuse more than. डेफिनेशन होगी ना, ये तो पूछ रहे हैं. दिखा. राइट एंगल स्ट्रेट एंगल one of the best. Yes, one of the best. Thank you. इसको ऐसे बनाना. बेटा सुनो वीडियो ऑफ दिस आंसर.